In the bustling streets of New York City, a young man named Bruce Kovner drove a taxi. But his ambitions reached far beyond the city grid. This is the incredible story of how a cab driver, armed with a Harvard education and a passion for music, navigated the volatile world of Forex trading to become a billionaire. Born in Brooklyn in 1945, Kovner's journey was anything but ordinary. While studying the harpsichord at the prestigious Juilliard School, he spent his days driving a taxi, using his downtime to immerse himself in the complexities of financial markets. He was a scholar behind the wheel, preparing for a different kind of performance. In 1977, Kovner made his first move. With a $3,000 loan from his credit card, he entered the soybean futures market. His talent did not go unnoticed. Kovner was hired by the pioneering trading firm Commodities Corporation, where he met his mentor, Michael Marcus. Marcus taught him the paramount importance of trading psychology and risk management, principles that would become the cornerstone of his legendary career. In 1983, Bruce Kovner founded Caxton Associates, a macro hedge fund that would soon become a titan in the industry. For nearly 3 decades, Kovner's strategic genius and disciplined approach delivered extraordinary returns, earning his investors tens of billions of dollars and cementing his legacy as one of the greatest traders of all time. From a taxi driver to a titan of finance, Bruce Kovner's story is a powerful testament to the power of relentless study, discipline, and a vision that sees beyond the horizon.